So today is a special day. We're having casting for season 4. I'm super excited. We had an open audition call. We posted it on Instagram, and we got over 100 submissions. So today, we're gonna see who's talented, and we're gonna see who not.
I know everyone has been waiting. It's highly anticipated. We're getting questions every day. So now that we are back, I'm just like really looking forward to seeing all the talent that's coming through today. Like I said, looking for lyric. We're looking for a whole bunch of dope characters. So I'm hoping to see the charisma, the talent, the swag, all of that good stuff.
My name is Clive Wallace. I'm auditioning for the role of Washington. One thing I like about Pieces is that the storyline. I like the storyline, the way everything flows and connects. That's what I like.
I started binge watching it and wound up watching it all the way to the end, so I seen the difference in the quality, the cameras, all of that. I'm here. I just came all the way from Miami to come try it out.
Wow, thank you.